Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So recently I uploaded my first shorts onto this YouTube channel, and I just wanted to do a little test just to see how much YouTube pays for YouTube shorts, because I know short form content at this point is on the rise, lots of viewership. So I had my short out there for a couple of days, and eventually it did hit the shorts feed and made its way up to 1.5 thousand views, so 1,500 views essentially. So I've given it enough time for the revenue data to generate, and let's see how much money YouTube pays for a YouTube short. Okay, on the screen here, as you can see, this is just a 9-second short. It's basically just a fun little edit of me changing out of my work clothes. Nothing inappropriate on it, don't worry. But like I said, 1.5 views, and average percentage viewed is 103%. That essentially means, how many times did people watch it like over again, or how many people viewed it up to completion. So since it was just a 9-second video, it's pretty easy to get at least 100% of average viewer duration. I had 65 likes on this, so let's jump on to the revenue at this point. Now we went over the stats again. Okay, here it is. So estimated earned revenue, 0.001. So I didn't even make 1 penny from 1,500 views on a short. Now, I know it's kind of like in beta phase at this moment, or at least like testing phase. I'm not too sure if there are any ads being run on YouTube Shorts at the moment. So that could be the reason why I didn't even make a penny off of this one short. But then again, I only just uploaded this for fun. As opposed to, actually being paid like X amount of views per 1,000 views for a regular video. I'm just seeing here for 1,000 views on a YouTube short, I don't really get paid anything. So unless you're making unless you're getting like millions of views, then maybe you could make a little something off of YouTube shorts. But at this point, I feel like YouTube shorts should just be used just to gather more traffic towards your YouTube channel via the shorts feed, because you do get a decent amount of viewership for YouTube shorts. But in terms of earning actual revenue from the YouTube shorts themselves, doesn't seem like it's possible at the moment, because who's going to watch ads on a 9-second short video? Very few people. But if you want to drive some additional traffic to your YouTube channel, YouTube shorts, good way to go. Hope you enjoyed this little experiment of mine. For more YouTube experiments, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later.